This is another area of 12 panels, 101 each. It has 2 strings and it's meant to power a 10 kilowatt PV system, a battery bank of 8 pieces of 200 flooded lead acid that we are going to use to power a system that takes care of a dairy farm. I'm going to show you the dairy farm, the cows, the machines that are there that are being powered by a system being charged by this array. Okay, so this is the battery bank. These are tubular lead acid, or you can call them flooded. There are 8 pieces, 200 amperes that we are using to power the cow shed. You can call it cow shed, dairy farm. The inverter here is a 10 kilowatts. 10 kilowatts using to power this milking machine setup. The generator is a backup before we install this. This is the generator backup. This is the generator. This is the milking machine. You can see the specs here. It is if you can zoom in, you'll be able to see the machine is just 0.5 kilowatts. Swedish brand and design. The milking is done here twice, at 1 a.m. and at 1 p.m. This is the milking stand. You see, this is a milking stand, and those are the cows that are producing this milk. The cows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the entire shed, and these are the machines. You can see. Well kept. The cow shed, powered by solar. You can actually run your entire cow shed using solar. And cows. Milk production is at per milking station is 70 liters. Not the biggest, but has about 140 liters per day production. This is the storage, the milking and cleaning area. I'm going to show you. It's not milking time, so I can't. This is the haystack that is being used to feed the cows. And they are cut using this chuff cutter. You can see the chuff cutter over here. This chuff cutter is here. The chuff cutter is here. Maybe I can turn it on. See how it's running. Based on sound. This one. You can see how much it's consuming. It's a reflection there. Let me fetch. About 650 watts. That's the load when the Chuff cutter is running. The solar right now, the panels are generating 0.5 kilowatts. The other string is generating 0.8. Total is about 1.3 kilowatts being generated by that system I've seen over there. The cable alignment, these are the provisions, these are temporary structures, they keep shifting, so you can't do really permanent cabling. I just put it off, the Chuff cutter. This is already done their Chuff cutting for the day, they'll do it again later. This same system here is running a workshop. Here they do the carpentry work for a furniture shop. I'm also going to show you the shop where the carpenters, the machines they're using. Let's go. Jose, Shunadi. Hey. Say don't you can. Yeah. Look a video moroka. My machines gi. I tell the boss. This is the workshop. This is the workshop. Camera. Shunadi. I don't run na machine moroka. I don't get the video ni monda ni boss. Ne. These machines here. The chainsaw. The bag machine. Chainsaw. Oh, chainsaw. Na de bag chainsaw so no. Ngini sani tuyogi solar. This one is one of the machines. I'm running using this solar. You don't get a sign to use solar? Money. Muke. Muke. So basically, that's what the system of 10 kilowatts is running. This is the entire workshop. Making chairs. Sofa sets here. Sofa sets. Very nice clean sofa sets are being made here. So this system is combining the cowshed and the workshop. Let's go and run the Chuff cutter. Kata tu kidogo. Nione, I want to see how much power it will consume. That is the system. This is the Chuff cutting machine. Yeah. So I can tell you, stand this side then. There's a machine operator for the Chuff cutter. The control is cutting the... That one.